Harshest place to be. Ganyan inilarawan ni EJ Obiena ang kanyang 4th place finish sa men's pole vault ng 2024 Paris Olympics. Sinagot na rin ni EJ ang mga katanungan tungkol sa posibleng pagsabak pa niya sa 2028 Olympics sa Los Angeles. Nakatutok si Maki Pulido.
Mula sa 11th overall place noong Tokyo Olympics 2020, lumipad sa 4th place overall ng men's pole vault ng 2024 Paris Olympics si EJ Obiena. Malaking tagumpay yan na ikinatuwa ng maraming sumusuporta sa kanya. Pero sa isang post humingi ng sorry si EJ at tinawag na harshest place to be ang 4th place sa sports na may 3 lang na podium finish. Nanghihinayang man at hindi nakapagmedalya, espesyal pa rin para kay EJ ang naging laban lalo't pagkakataon nitong nasamahan siya ng kanyang mga magulang sa Paris Olympics.
I would have wanted, of course, to share a medal with them. To have a full circle, but didn't happen.
Nang tanungin kung lalahok siya sa susunod na Los Angeles Olympics 2028, naging emosyonal si EJ. Gusto raw kasi niyang maging buo muna ang kanyang kalooban. Tatapusin daw muna ni EJ ang mga natitirang pole vault tournaments ngayong taon at saka ipraprioridad ang kanyang kalusugan na matagal nang naisantabi. May iniinda kasi siyang back injury mula 2022. Sa tindi nga ng sakit sa kanyang lumbar spine o mababang bahagi ng likuran, hindi raw makapag-pole vault ng maayos si EJ 2 linggo bago ang Paris Olympics. Kwento ng kanyang kaibigan ni si Michael James Lafferty, sa halip na umatras sa Paris Olympics, naghanap sila ng medical procedure para pansamantalang mawala ang sakit.
It got so bad and he couldn't even run. 10 days before the Olympic Games, he's not even vaulting. The fact that he competed, in my opinion, is amazing. The fact that he came in 4th is beyond amazing.
Pero hindi ito ginagamit na dahilan ni EJ kaya't hindi nakakuha ng medalya sa Paris Olympics.
I think it did affect me, but not on the competition day. It affected my preparation going in. It affected my consistency. It affected, I think, my overall program going into Paris.
Sa ngayon, one day at a time, sabi ni EJ.
The reason why I can't give you guys the answer that you guys, I think, wants to have is just that I don't want to lie. I need to understand that it's going to be another 4 painstaking years that I need to focus everything and live this life. And yeah, it takes a little bit of thinking to understand that. And I think I need to give myself time. And so the decision is pretty big.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Maki Pulido, nakatutok, 24 oras.